Okay, quick update. Working on the Sandrail. It had well, I'm hoping it had a lifter tick. Got it all apart, got all the lifters out, rocker arms off, and just bought some new Melling lifters. And so we're gonna put those on today and see if the lifter tick's gone. The thing ran good, but it was kind of annoying. It would, mostly at an idle or when you're coming down to an idle, it would give a little tick. So upgraded the bolts too, polished stainless. That's what you want on your sand rig. Anyway, come back after it's together and fire it up and see what it did. All right, we're back on the Sandrail. Got the new lifters installed. Look at these real quick. So it was a set of 8 of the Melling JB 2012. I did do a quick test fire. It does still rattle a little bit, but I think it's better. So let's test. Well, after all that, she still ticks. So it's not all, glory and success here on Deloney V8, but please give us a like and a subscribe if you like some of the content. Try to keep the variety coming. We got sand toys, drag racing, street car action, maybe some show car action, some really fast boating. And you just never know what else we might get into. So stay tuned.